Dollar Tree, stocking stuffers, new items, everything you could possibly want. I'm Jamie, the Crafty DIY guy. Welcome back to my channel. All right, you guys, so as I mentioned, Dollar Tree is starting to put out some of that fun stuff like the stocking stuffers and different things. I did pick up a few of those. I also grabbed just a few kind of food-related items. I grabbed some Christmas decor, some DIY stuff. So we've got a small collection here, but a little bit of everything. I'm curious too, I know that my stores, they don't feel like, or at least one of my stores, my kind of normal favorite store, I should say, it just doesn't feel like it's putting out a lot of Christmas stuff, a lot of new stuff anyway. I see a lot of repetition from stuff from the past, and I'm just curious if your Dollar Tree is kind of the same way. So if it is, let me know in the comments. Maybe it's a new, I don't know, maybe it's a new strategy that they're doing, but it's been kind of disappointing. I'm not gonna lie for you guys. Okay, let's get started. This is not a stocking stuffer idea, although if you're like my mom, she does a big giant gift bag instead of stockings. So she can put more stuff in there. And also because stockings sometimes are, you know, heavy to hang on the wall, but, or on the chimney, on the fireplace. Angela, gosh. All right. By the way, I'm doing this early in the morning before I go to work. So if I look tired or I sound congested, yes, all of the above. This little weekly to-do list calendar is super, super cute. They also had a kitchen version of this where you could do some meal prep or meal planning, which I thought was really fun. This is going to be a great one for me because I think I'm going to use it exactly how it is. There's a little heart cut out at the top there. I love the fact that I can put, by the way, if you're hearing all kinds of scratching and stuff in the background, that's Otis because his litter box is literally right there on the other side of the wall, and he is getting in this morning. So this is the calendar, and I'm going to put my kind of weekly to-do list on it, not only for work stuff, but also for YouTube work stuff and for social media stuff and all the things that it seems like I have to do every single day. Seems like there's always something. So you guys see I've got like a little bit of a mid-century kind of vibe going on here in my house. The tree is just all copper and gold and kind of silver sparkly ornaments. And then I've got my grandmother's tree that she made, or that my mom actually made for her in the 70s. There's Mr. Otis. He is done making noise. But I also grabbed these. Now, they've got this great label on there, so you're like, what the heck are those? Well, I'm going to show you, because I was excited to actually see these. These are very strong labels, but, and they're not stickers. They're that cardboard kind of a label that's just wrapped around it. Good Lord. These candles, these LED candles, but they're in this kind of a, you know, kind of an amber glass, and they do have this little red thing in the bottom of it, so be sure and take those out. But look how pretty those are, and they put off a decent amount of light, and they do flicker. It's very simple, just kind of on and off. There's the shark tail. Hey, Otis. Hi, Baba. So we've got these, but I thought, like, how pretty is that with my whole kind of mid-century Christmassy vibe here. I'll show you guys the room too, because I've got some artwork and things that are hanging up on the wall now. See those star kind of, this is really random, but see those little star sconces and the star clock and everything. Those were from a friend of mine's estate sale, and he gave me those items because he knew that I did the wall. So anywho, that's fun. But there's another one here. I'm not going to bother to go through the process to take that off. But perfect little accent candles, perfect for the coffee table or something. And I was excited to see these. So I'm going to grab this one and turn it off because my luck, it'll end up burning out just immediately. And then, then we don't have a candle. These are fun. These are Christmas ornaments that I've seen. About 6 of these. There were only, well, about 3 packages. There's 2 in each pack, so 6 total. I thought about putting these on this tree and just kind of keeping like very neutral kind of ornaments on there. Right now it's just kind of copper and gold, and I'll do a close-up of the tree too, so you can see that. But DIY idea. Vintage, kind of a wintry DIY idea coming. There are, again, some fun stocking stuffer things that are starting to hit the stores. This is a brand, Joe Boxer, and these are flushable Tootie wipes that you can use for your Tootie. And they are a minty kind of a minty fresh scent, chili mint. And what is nice about these is that you can kind of keep them, by your toilet. And I have a little drawer right next to it's the bottom drawer in the vanity that's next to the toilet, where I keep the toilet paper and like the extra toilet paper and things like this. So what's nice about these is that you can wipe and you can flush them, which is nice. And then I guess there's no like rule on where you use them, right? And just be careful where you use them. But they are plant-based, and again, they're by Joe Boxer, which is a popular brand for men's underwear. And depending on the smell, I don't see why, ladies, you guys couldn't use them either. I got Otis something. This is a dog toy, but I know he's going to love it. And it's a 2-pack, so they're Pickles. They're Clausen Pickles. They say that there are dog toys on them, but I know he'll like them. He's probably going to come running in here in just a minute. But they're perfect size, right? And they're lightweight. And I can throw one pickle around and then he'll play around with it. And eventually he gets bored. And then we'll recycle it and I'll throw him another pickle. And by the way, you should do that with cat toys a lot. They do get bored with their toys. And so it's time to get them new ones. The only one that he has that's consistent is this beat up teddy bear that he's had forever. And it was the first toy that I ever gave him, which is really random. And it did come from Dollar Tree. So yeah, anyway. Harry's. Harry's is a men's kind of grooming line. I've mainly found Harry's at Target, and they had this scalp scrub at Dollar Tree. And Harry's products are typically, more than $1.25. So I was excited to find this. There was another kind of spray that they had that was for like dry hair, but I definitely don't have dry hair. So I passed on that one, but look for these Harry's products because this is a great stocking stuffer idea, obviously. It's all kinds of treats. There's all kinds of treats at Dollar Tree. So any kind of, Sour Patch packets or any kind of candy, anything like that is definitely something you'll want to pick up from Dollar Tree. This is Christmas decor. I told you guys this was super random. So I have hauled these reindeer in the past. And I never can find 3 that are consistent colors that I like. But there are 3 different kind of styles. There's this one that's a little bit taller. There's another one that is almost like an opposing look, but it's shaped just a little differently. And then there's one that is kind of kneeling down. So now I've got the trifecta. What I need to do is now spray paint them all so they're all a consistent color. But love it, love it. I love this color as well. And it would certainly go with my theme back there. I may end up spray painting this one copper because the other 2 are copper already. And then this could look really good for my mantle. My mantle is actually the only thing I have not decorated yet because I'm very patiently waiting on something to come in from Amazon. This is a beautiful frame. This frame is gorgeous. This frame could also be used, I would think, very, very easily as a gift if you wanted to. I'm gonna try and open it up. It is a suede covered frame. I'm sure it's faux suede, but when I saw this, I could not believe just how rich and how beautiful it looks. Look at that, you guys. It's so pretty. It is so pretty. That would just look so good in a frame kind of collection. I have a curio cabinet that's in my hallway and that I keep kind of all my family photos on. And I think originally I started off with having all the same frames, but I think I'm gonna mix it up and have these kind of different frames. If they end up coming out with an entire collection of different sizes of this suede, please let me know in the comments, because I would love to get these. And if they ever have this in like a chocolate brown, kind of like, you know, this color, oh, I'm all about it. Definitely all about it. But isn't that beautiful? Imagine like putting a family photo in there. I wish you could touch it because it is so soft. It is so soft. But anyway, that's getting weird. Not too much left. I'm telling you, not too much left. This is going to be a DIY. There were tons of Father's Day things out. It's like Father's Day is in June. I think they're like cleaning out the stockroom, and maybe they found a bunch of random stuff. There goes Odie but they have not found any new Christmas stuff. So here is a kind of a hanging bottle cap opener, and I'm gonna do this as a DIY. This is probably gonna be saved for springtime, but this will be a DIY for spring for sure. I don't know what happens to my spoons. So I've got more spoons. This is just a 3-pack from Dollar Tree. They were $1.25 each. And yeah, I don't know what happens to my spoons. These are still kind of my favorite things. Really, really loving them. I keep looking at them. I keep turning them on, playing with them. $1.25, come on. So cute, right? Okay, we're gonna grab, these are super fun. So when I saw these, I was like, what? Jello Shots. If you're over the drinking age and you've, you know, gone out and partied or, you know, gone out to the club or anything like that, you've probably had a Jello shot or at a party. These are kind of like Jello shots. They're already kind of in this. I'm going to open them up. It's going to be loud here for a second. They're already in the shot form, but there's obviously no alcohol in them. Hello, potential, right? You could really do some fun things. First and foremost, if you're having a holiday party, and maybe you are having Jello shots, right? But you do have people that don't drink. You have some underage, you know, people there. This could be perfect for them. Buy a couple bags of these, and you literally just kind of peel the top and suck out the middle. And when it's soaked in vodka or tequila or something like that, it's really yummy. The other thing I did grab, this is going to be a stocking stuffer, but some boiled peanuts, because the person that I'm going to be giving these to, they love boiled peanuts. And this particular brand, this Peanut Patch brand that they sell at Dollar Tree, is actually really good. And if you don't live in the South and you've never had a boiled peanut, you're missing out. Trust me, they're good. They're really good too if you can get them on from the dude like that sells them in the back of his pickup truck along the roadside in the South. Life-changing. This is just a can of chili. I am working on some Dollar Tree meal ideas again, and so I wanted to grab that chili. I also grabbed this bag of barbecue corn chips. This brand I've seen at Dollar Tree before, but I've never seen the barbecue flavor. So I'm hoping that this will be a return item and that they'll have these. But if you take something like this, you combine it with a can of like black beans, and then you combine it with a can of that chili. You maybe add some rice to it. If you can add some fajita vegetables or something like that, that can make a nice meal, and you can get all of that from Dollar Tree. So, believe it or not, that's it. That's it for this haul. It was easy, kind of a one and done. Let's see if Otis wants his pickle. Otis, do you want your pickle? Want a pickle? Huh? Here, let's throw it that way and see if he goes. Ready? Ready? Want your pickle? Get it. Oops. He's like, yeah, whatever, Dad. Okay, found two. Here. Go get it. Go get it. Of course, he ran this way instead of the way I wanted him to. All right, anyway, I do have a Goodwill haul coming up too that I'll be sharing with you guys soon. But until then, I'll chat with you later.